Ready for all the fun?
I think so. As best I can be.
You're right here at the door.
I know, that plant throws me.
Oh, that plant.
Yeah. There we go.
Are you ready for water to be turned off for a while?
Absolutely. Yep.
I'll be downstairs and up and downstairs and back and forth and outside and
I know. Round and around, yeah.
all over the place.
Yeah. Anthony, how long have you been doing plumbing?
About 20 years.
20 years. Okay. Yeah.
Too long. Hello.
Where are you at?
At the house. I've been here for a bit. I'm back here in the driveway, like deep in the driveway, so you can't really see me from the road too much.
That's why I didn't see you.
Because you're blind.
Got busted out last night.
You're always late.
I told you I had to throw some shit away real quick and...
Kitchen faucet over there. We're cutting out this T, new. Then we're going back to here. Cut, and then pegs.
There.
Anywhere back here and anywhere back here. And then this here should be a door. And I got ProPress 3/4 sitting up there. I got the ProPress machine sitting up there for you. If you need 1/2-inch ProPress, there's that, which I don't think you will. Yeah. There's some stuff on the floor here, buddy, so.
I noticed that. My wife is notorious. She'll put a wine glass or something, and she'll put it way out of the way. And that's the first place I go out and knock it right over.
Jesus Lord. My God, Gertie. Lord. She's a tough burger. This thing?
Or no, the thing in the box.
Thing in the box. Timber. Chris, you can't do that. My supply lines are hooked up. You're making my supply lines bend.
Can I anchor it real quick and then I should be good?
Keep this right here. Yes, sir. All right, Chris, don't get mouthy. Christopher. Go holler at Chris for me.
What?
It does.
That's weird as heck. Now I wanted to cooperate here. Could just be a kinked supply line up inside the faucet. Supply lines go all the way up inside of the faucet, so you can't just replace the supply line, unfortunately.
It's not that style.
Okay. That's a bigger freaking one than that one. Shit. Ready? I'm so freaking tight. Much better.